Master your kitchen with my recipes. Start now!
Today we're gonna prepare some pork chops, very close to the traditional way of preparing pork meat, but combined with a very specific sauce. Preparation. We chop the onion in circles. We add a little bit of water on the meat, and then we fry them well on both sides. And before they turn red, add the 2 onions sliced in a large circles over the meat. We add the onions into the meat while there is still water before it's done. Fry it for a while until the onion softens a little bit. And then stir the onions with the meat. Serve the pork chops into a serving plate. To prepare the pesto sauce, you need the following ingredients: 7-8 leaves of basil. If you have, you can use that, but if you don't, you can use dried one. Fresh garlic if you have, or if you don't, you can use a dried one. We have goat cheese, 80 to 100 grams. And some olive oil. In a blender, put the cheese, which you previously cut in a few small pieces, and add all the remaining ingredients, except for the walnuts. We put around 50 grams of olive oil. First we put half of the olive oil. We mix it with a blender, then we add the other half. Mix the ingredients with the blender until you get a nice pure. You can put this in a serving plate. And not to forget, we slice a few walnuts. the pesto sauce in a smaller deep bowl, and after that add the crushed walnuts and mix a little bit. We're gonna prepare roasted slices of bread with fresh garlic and some chili powder, which you can combine with different meals. According to the necessary amount, roast the slices of bread in an oven or in a toaster. Pour olive oil over the bread. Cut every clove of garlic by its length. And in this way, with the garlic, rub every slice of the bread. After this, spice it with salt and add a little mixture of dried vegetables. This bread you can combine, as I said, with a few different meals. To prepare this meal, you need the following ingredients: 5 pieces of pork chops, 2 big onions, salt, cooking oil,